haul my November Bling bag. So this you can get it for only 1,499 rupees from their website, which is blingbag.com. I will definitely share the link in my description box. So let's get started with the unboxing.
Bling Bag is monthly jewelry subscription box which every month the style experts hand-pick the jewelry which specially suits your unique style and send it to us in a nice bag. The first one is golden peacock drop earring, which is perfect for any festival, for festive look or party, styling this any season. Whether Diwali or Christmas or wedding, anything, you can wear this earring and it will look good. And the price of this, if you want to buy it separately, it is 899. You can get it on the website. I'll share the link in the description box. The next piece is called as Imperial Statement Necklace, which is designer bauble, comes in magnum form, and you can style it with the golden choli and colorful lehenga and rock the look. And the price of this is 1,299 rupees. I've styled it with my green color jumpsuit. The third piece is called as Estella Delicate Earring, and this is a delicate, really delicate and pretty black in color, and you can style it with monochrome dress and look uber gorgeous. The price of this is 599 rupees, and I've styled it with simple kurti. This is Solace pendant necklace, and while the extra long dangling adds an extra glam, in case you look for an elegant simple look, don't be afraid to get rid of it. Whether with a deep V-neck or a casual t-shirt, this elegant necklace does it all, and the price of this is 799 rupees. Along with the 4 jewelry item, you get one bag, either sling bag or wallet. So this time they have curated this wallet, which is beautiful nude pink shade, which I got it. I really loved it. It has 3 pockets, like 2 the bigger one, and between there is a small pocket and a place to keep cards as well. And in the end of October, there was this option if you want to pre-book the November subscription box. So I booked it and I got this extra earring set, which has 2 separate you can say stud, which you can style it in 2 different ways. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like and share it to all your friends and family. And if you're not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.